Matthew 27. For early morning, the priest oga dem and the elders con dey plan as dem go take kill Jesus. Dem tie am con take am go meet Pilate wey be the governor. When Judas wey sell Jesus see say dem condemn am, im mind con dey judge am for wetin e do. So he return the 30 silver coins give the priest oga dem and elders con say, I don sin as I sell this innocent man make dem kill am. But dem say, how that one take concern us? Na your business be that. So Judas con throw the silver coins inside the temple, then he comot go hang himself. The priest oga dem take the money con say, Moses law say make dem no put blood money for the temple purse. After dem don talk the matter, dem con take the money buy one land wey the name be Potter Field, and na strangers dem dey bury for there. Na because of this make dem dey call the land Blood Field con reach today. So wetin prophet Jeremiah talk con happen. Dem take 30 silver coins, the money wey Israel people don gree to take sell Jesus. Then dem use the money take buy the Potter Field, just as God tell me. As Jesus stand for the governor front, the governor con ask am, na you be the Jew people king? Jesus answer, na as you talk. When the priest oga dem and the elders dey accuse Jesus, he no answer them. Then Pilate tell Jesus, you no hear all the things wey dem dey talk say you do? But Jesus no answer, and the governor con surprise well. For Passover feast, the governor dey always release one prisoner give the people. That time, he get one wicked prisoner and him name na Jesus Barabbas. So when dem don gather, Pilate ask them, who una want make I release give una, Jesus Barabbas or Jesus Christ? Because Pilate know say na jealousy make dem bring Jesus Christ come meet am. As Pilate sit down for the judgment seat, him wife send message go meet am say, no put hand for that innocent man matter, because last night I dream bad dream about am. But the priest oga dem and the elders say make the people ask for Barabbas so that dem go fit kill Jesus Christ. The governor con ask them again, which one for these two people una want make I release give una? Dem answer, Barabbas. So Pilate con still ask them, then wetin I go do with Jesus wey dem dey call Christ? All dem con answer, nail am for cross. Pilate con ask, why? Which bad thing he do? But dem con dey shout more, nail am for cross. When Pilate see say the people no gree and trouble wan start, he con take water wash him hand for the people front. They say, this man blood no dey my head, make only una go kill am. The people answer, make him blood dey our head and our children own. Then Pilate release Barabbas give them. After them flog Jesus Christ, Pilate con give am to them, make them nail am for cross. The soldiers take Jesus Christ enter the governor house, and all of them con gather am. Them remove him cloth, con wear am cloth wey make am be like king. Them take shuku make crown wear am for him head, put walking stick for him hand, then kneel down for him front, con dey laugh am, dey say, make una hail Jew people king o. Them spit for him body, con take walking stick, knack him head many times. When them laugh am finish, them remove the king cloth wey them wear am, con wear am him own cloth. Then them take am go nail for cross. As them dey go outside, them see one man from Cyrene wey him name na Simon, and them con force am make he carry Jesus Christ cross. When them reach one place wey them dey call Golgotha, wey mean skull place, them con give Jesus Christ better wine make he drink am, but when he taste am, he no gree drink am. When them don nail am for cross, them con gamble take divide him cloth. Them sit down there dey look make anybody no touch am. On top of him head for the cross, them write wetin them take accuse am, say, this na Jesus Christ, Jew people king. Them still nail two thieves near Jesus Christ for cross, one for him right and the other for him left. So the people where they pass where Jesus Christ dey, they laugh am and they shake their head, they say, you wey say you go destroy the temple, come build am back for 3 days, make you save yourself. If you really be God pikin, make you come down from the cross.
Na like this too, the priest oga dem and the law teachers and the elders dey laugh am say, he save other people but he no fit save himself. If he come down now from the cross, we go believe say na him be Israel king. Since he trust God, make God come save am now, because he say, I be God pikin. The thieves wey dem nail for cross near Jesus Christ still dey curse am too. E come happen say from 12 go reach 3 o'clock for afternoon, darkness come cover the whole land. When 3 o'clock wan reach, Jesus Christ come shout, Eli, Eli, lema sabachthani, wey mean, my God, wetin make you abandon me? Some of the people wey hear the word come say, this man dey call Elijah make he come help am. At once, one of them run go bring sponge, come soak am for wine wey don sour, put am for stick, then come give Jesus make he drink am. But the remaining people say, leave am, make we see whether Elijah go come save am. So Jesus Christ cry again, then he come die. At once, the temple curtain tear from up go reach bottom. The ground begin shake and rocks come scatter for everywhere. Graves open and God people wey don die come wake up. After Jesus raise from grave, God people wey don die follow am raise. Then dem come enter the holy town with him, and many people see them. When the soldiers oga and the people wey dey guide Jesus Christ see the earthquake and wetin happen, dem fear well, come say, true, this man na God pikin. Many women wey follow Jesus Christ from Galilee and wey dey help am dey there too. Dem dey look wetin dey happen for there. Mary Magdalene, Mary wey be James and Joseph mama, and Zebedee children mama dey there too. When evening reach, Joseph, one rich man from Arimathea wey be Jesus Christ disciple, go meet Pilate, come ask am for Jesus Christ body. So Joseph carry the body, come wrap am with clean white cloth. He put am inside him own new grave wey he dig inside rock. Then he roll one big stone cover the grave mouth. Mary Magdalene and the other Mary sit down for the other side wey face the grave. The next day, wey be Sabbath day, the priest oga dem and the Pharisee people come gather for Pilate front. They say, Oga God, we remember say when that wild man still dey for this world, he talk say, after 3 days he go wake up. So make you give order, make them guide the grave until the 3 days go reach. If not, him disciples go thief him body, come tell people say, he don't wake up from death, and this go make the last while worse past the first one. So Pilate tell them, make una take plenty soldiers go guide the place as una want. So them carry soldiers go guide the grave, and them come block the grave mouth so that Jesus Christ no go fit come out.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.